spill containment pads are essential for safe handling and cleanup of pesticides at home. When working with pesticide concentrates or baits, choose compostable absorbent pads rated for chemical use and place them under mixing stations and application areas to catch drips and splashes. Use absorbent granules alongside pads for small spills. Scatter the granules over the liquid, let them absorb fully, then sweep the solids into a sealable disposal bag. Assemble a dedicated spill kit in a clearly labeled container that includes nitrile gloves, single-use coveralls, eye protection, sealable disposal bags, a small broom and dustpan, compostable absorbent pads, and an instruction card that lists emergency contacts and the pesticide label emergency page. Read and follow the pesticide product label for specific cleanup and disposal instructions, since labels are legal documents and often specify how to handle contaminated materials and rinsate. For mixing and filling, work over a tray lined with a pad to contain accidental overfills, and always keep a fresh pad nearby so you can replace saturated pads immediately. When transporting used pads to disposal, seal them in 2 bags and store them separately from household waste until you follow the label guidance or local hazardous waste rules for final disposal. Common mistakes include leaving saturated pads in open areas where pets or children can access them, which is avoided by sealing used pads immediately and placing them in a locked or high location until disposal. Another is using non-chemical rated pads that break down on contact with solvent-based products. So always check pad compatibility and choose pads labeled for pesticide or chemical absorption. A third is neglecting to document spills and responses, which can cause repeated errors. So keep a simple log in your spill kit, noting date, product, quantity, and corrective action to improve future handling. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can advise on safe pesticide handling and recommend proper containment products. And contractors can use our platform to connect with homeowners seeking pest control safety services. We also run an active discussion community where users and professionals share practical tips, product experiences, and cleanup practices.